In today's video, you will learn how to make a natural tea with milk to help you relax in cases of insomnia. Do you sleep well at night, or do you suffer from insomnia? Have you ever heard that a good night's sleep solves any issue? Have you ever wondered why it is necessary to sleep well? When we talk about health, poor sleep can increase the risk of heart disease, heart failure, high blood pressure, strokes, and diabetes. Some even say that poor sleep lowers your sex drive. Did you know that? Even knowing how important sleep is, many people still can't get a good rest at night simply because they can't easily fall asleep. Did you know that stress and anxiety are the principal causes of poor sleep? When you are stressed and anxious, the brain can't stop working for a second, which puts you into a constant state of alertness. However, milk with lavender and chamomile can help you with that. Did you know that? At night, when everything gets quieter and darker, it is the perfect moment to warm up some milk before going to bed. Your grandma probably told you already that warm milk helps you sleep better. Chamomile has been used for centuries to help induce relaxation and sleep, soothe stomach aches, and as a natural anti-inflammatory. Lavender also plays a role in natural relaxation, especially during sleep time, helping alleviate nervous tension and stress. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Write down the ingredients. 1 cup milk. If you are vegan, use plant milk. 1/8 teaspoon of lavender. 1/4 teaspoon chamomile. 1 tablespoon demerara sugar or stevia. 2 tablespoons frozen blueberries, optional. Directions: pour the milk into a milk jug or pot. Add the chamomile and lavender and heat it, constantly stirring. You can't let the milk boil. As soon as you notice it simmering, turn off the heat. Next, if you want to make your moon milk purple, add some frozen blueberries and mix. Cover the milk jug and let it sit for 15 minutes. Sweeten with demerara sugar or stevia and drink it 30 minutes before bed. Make sure you have a calm environment, comfortable and without any lights, so the tea can have the expected results and you get a good night's sleep. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.